Have you ever wanted a mouse and a keyboard for your Android? Or do you just simply miss the good old days of having a physical keyboard? Well, look no further. I created this Sidekick inspired contraption over here. This is actually version 2. I made a video last January, and this one improves on that previous design tenfold. To demonstrate, we have 3 modes here. We have the locked mode, we have the normal, sort of like a sidekick mode, and then finally I added this one, my favorite, the lazy mode I call it. If you're a psycho and you just don't want to use the touchscreen, then you can use the trackpad to do your doom scrolling. See, there's like a scroll line here, not a wheel but a line. You can use this. Each mode is supported by magnets, as you can see. We're using little magnets here and over here. Simple mechanism. And by the way, I'd like to give a round of applause to myself for this really ingenious design choice that I made. I used to not have this. These are for fidget spinners and I bought a bunch of these. They do the job perfectly. This doubles as a fidget toy here. It's pretty satisfying on its own. Now, the ergonomics isn't really the best. It's still a bit thick. By the way, if you're interested, this is what it used to look like. This is the former design comparison. Okay. The keyboard is not really fixed. I can easily remove it. This is a cheap mouse and keyboard from Amazon. A mini mouse and keyboard, rather. Fits like a glove. I also made holes here for the USB-C port and the power on and off switch. The battery life is great. This is the side profile, how it looks like. This is 200 grams. My phone weighs 303. So both of them combined 500. So this mechanism here can support a 300-gram phone. So I just made a square here and I filled them with bar magnets. They're very strong. I haven't thought of a name for this yet. Wait, I can also do this. This is like a 4th mode. This video is sponsored by me. And to celebrate, I'm gonna be eating Bean Boozled. If you don't want to watch this, skip to this part. I'm very curious what this tastes like. Wish me luck. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, it landed on red. Cappuccino or liver and onions. So this can either be cappuccino or liver. Nope, sorry. Let me give it a taste. I got cappuccino. So overall, the experience is nice. Alt-Tab is like your app switcher. And then Alt F4 is to go home. You can control your volume. This little square here works as your arrow keys. This is the right click of your mouse. This is the left click of your mouse. The membrane keyboard is not really the best typing experience. It's not tactile. It's mushy. I get it. So far, this is the only keyboard that with this form factor and with the trackpad. This is not perfect whatsoever. Surprisingly though, this can work for your emulators as well. Is it the most pleasant experience playing games? No. Am I having a blast figuring this all out on the fly? Hell yeah. This is a very niche use case. Oh my god, we have like a retro handheld mode, I guess. Up, down, left, right. My fire is here. Now it looks like I have a Miu Mini, but with a tumor on the right side. I'm curious if you want to try this out. Apologies if the updates are really slow on this one. It is a one-man project. So leave a comment down below with name suggestions. So yeah, take care, be kind to yourself, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.